am the very model of a table that's periodical.
Are you serious? Quite.
Oh boy, I've got the elements in order quite categorical.
No kidding?
From hydrogen to helium, noble gases and all the rest you'll see.
Okay, Mr. Chemical Wizard, show us.
I'm very well acquainted too with matters theoretical. Like what? I understand electrons and their bonds quite energetical. Really? About oxidation states, I'm teeming with a lot of news. With many cheerful facts about reactions and their clever cues.
Reactions?
Go on. This is getting interesting. I know the noble gases and react they do quite rarely, friends. And with the halocargens and alkalis a balanced blend depends. In Mendelevium's wake, I place the elements quite deftly, so...
No way.
And every combination, inorganic, I precisely know.
Impressive.
My students, you will learn to love each column and each period, for chemistry's a song, and every verse must be well steered along, like a hum in our science class. I've got the states of matter down, both solid gas and liquid too. And when it comes to protons, neutrons, electrons, I will guide you through.
We're ready.
I know the transition metals and their balances, so variable with entropy and enthalpy. Our knowledge will be insatiable. Mr. Wizard, bring it on. More chemistry, please.
You want more? Here we go with Mendeleev's
My
extract.
reactions, both the endo and exothermal.
Awesome!
And when it comes to acids, I'm the guy who teaches the pH hypo. I memorized the charges of the ions, both the plus and minuses.
There it
and
is.
conformations, covalent metallic, so precise it is.
Now we're learning chemistry rocks.
Can explain phase diagrams. The Chekhov's principle show how catalysts can make reactions rather quizzical, from carbon chains and esters to the benzene rings allure. With chemical equations balanced perfect, you can rest assured. Balance it! We'll craft molecules that shimmer and react spectacular. With Avogadro's number in my class, you'll be vernacular.
Oh, really?
Sounds impressive! From isotope to polymers, my knowledge is quite thorough.
Quite thorough.
Polymers! That's why I am the very model of a modern-day Dick Chemist.
He's the very model of a modern-day Dick Chemist, though.
In the lab, we'll balance equations, make predictions chemical, and when it comes to solubility, I am just so lyrical.
Solubility.
So whether gas or liquid or solid or empirical, I'll break it down with methods both informative and whimsical.
I am the very model of a modern chemical general. I've elements with properties predictable and integral. I know the noble gases and the mets rare and variable, from hydrogen to oganes, and the table's undeniable. I am well versed in carbon chains and isotopes incredible, with knowledge vastly alkali and elements so commendable. I can recite the lanthanides, their properties undeniable, and tell you if an atom spin is fermion or bosonable. I know the trends of ions, their radii and electron shells, and elements that form the lightest gas to ones like heavy wells. I understand the valence rules that guide each atomic pair, and covalent bonds that share an electron with nary a care. Ha ha! That's brilliant!
More, sir.
I'm very good at balancing an incomplete equation now, and understanding red dots that can make reactions show how. I've memorized the melting points of every single element, and know which ones are dangerous when accidents are imminent. I'm versed in every isotope, both common and unusual, and trace what makes their neutrons change, with facts entirely crucial.